Alright, just going to show you the brackets real quick. Here's a chunk of 2x2 angle. Punched 2 holes in it with the iron worker and then 4 mounting holes here. The reason those are so much smaller is we're using the Power Pro construction lag screws. Now you can get these at Lowe's or Home Depot even, but I ordered these online. Don't remember where I got them, but much better deal. So here's a closer view of them. Torx drive, no pilot hole needed. They work wonderful. Highly recommend them for this application or other applications. So we got plenty of them, 4 of them in there on each side. And then the uniswitch will run across like this. And we'll hook that into there, and then this will support it. Of course, this is flipped around, will be upside down once it's on the ceiling. But that's how we're going to do this today.